Teacher Ivy again. Thank you for coming back. Are you ready to read again? Awesome! So since you're ready, stay with this video so I can teach you. Let's go! Right, so our lesson for today will be the letter D. This is the mommy letter D and this is the baby letter D. And the sound of letter D is D. D. The sound of letter D is D. D. Okay, so magbasa tayo ng mga words na may mga letter D in English and Tagalog words. Okay? Alright, so kung ang sound neto ay D, tapos tatabihan mo ng A, ano ba sa dyan? Alright, so that will be da. One more time. Da. Perfect. Kung ang basa sa dalawang ito ay da, tapos may sa dulo, paano na ang basa dyan? Good job. So that will be damn. One more time. Damn. How about this one? So pinalitan lang yung dulo. So ito, same pa rin ang sound. That will be da, tapos perfect. So that will be dan. One more time. Dan. Alright, how about this one? Madali lang yan ha, basta magsa-sound ka lang. So that will be dark. One more time. Dark. So ito, tapos k. Pagsasama-samahin lang natin. Dark. One more time. Dark. Perfect. How about i-change ni Teacher Ivy yung dulo at ito ang ilagay. So, same lang din. Dart. One more time. Da. Tapos ito, t. Pagsama-samahin lahat ng sound, that will be dart. Good job. Since you already know how to read in English na may mga letter D or sound na D, ngayon naman magbasa tayo ng mga word in Tagalog na may D. Ano nga uli ang basa sa kanilang dalawa pag pinagsama? Good job. Yes, that will be da. Da. Alright, so let's read this. So what is the sound again pag magkasama? Da, tapos da. Yes, pagsasamahin lang. So that will be da, da. Good job. How about this word? So that will be da, tapos ma. One more time. Da, ma. Dama. Very good. How about this one? Yes, so that will be dala. One more time. Da, tapos la. Perfect. Alright, how about this one? Diba ang sound neto? P, p. So, pag pinagsama, pa. So, that will be da. Very good. Da, pa. Very good. This one, ano sound neto uli? G. Pag may kasamang a, ga. Perfect. So, that will be da, ga. Good job. Isa pa. Da, ga. And this word. So, di ba ang sound neto? Y. Tapos may kasamang a, ya. Pagsamahin natin lahat ng sound. So, that will be da, ya. Good job. Congratulations! You already know how to read. I'm so proud of you. So, until next video, okay? Bye for now!